Hey, this is Cara Keller with Keller Group Chicago, and today we're going to tour 7712 Vine in River Forest, just 10 miles outside of downtown Chicago. This traditional four-square has fabulous outdoor space. Straight ahead, notice the parking pad and basketball court. Lovely paver patio with pergola overhead. 2.5 car garage, extra space for dining, and this beautiful, fully fenced-in yard, plenty of green space. As we fly up, we're going to see a surprise, an amazing private covered porch off the master bedroom, perfect for coffee or wine under the stars. 7712 Vine is on a 52 by 135 lot. You've also got this lovely front porch area. When we go inside, the first floor has great flow, full circular flow, and there's a closet right inside the front door, the dining room, this lovely open living room with yet another closet at the back. So while each room has its separation, you can easily go one room to the other, fully circular. The kitchen is nice and bright with white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. You've got an extra island and table space. New windows are throughout the entire home. And the kitchen has lovely views of the backyard. Where do we put all those backpacks, shoes, and coats? In your own mudroom, of course. It's the first room you hit when you come in off the garage. 7712 has central air, hardwood floors throughout. There are 3 bedrooms up, 2 full baths. The first of the 2 full baths is on the first floor. The second is upstairs. Both bathrooms have been updated. When we head upstairs, you're going to notice a few things. The first one is right off the stairs on the landing is a large open space, which is the family room. And today, while we're sheltering at home, it's become a home office and a center of e-learning. We're going to go straight back to the master bedroom. Remember, we've got the lovely private deck. You'll see the door in just a minute to our right. Windows overlooking the backyard, plenty of floor space, 2 closets, one to the left, and a double straight ahead. We're going to head into bedroom number 2. You'll see the closet there, straight ahead. All the bedrooms have been freshly painted and new ceiling fixtures. The second full bath is straight across the hall. Again, both baths have been updated. And the third bedroom is just here to our left. New ceiling drum fixture, freshly painted walls. And the closet for this bedroom is just behind the bedroom door. Back through our family room turned home office as we head downstairs to check out the basement. 7712 goes to Lincoln Elementary, Roosevelt Middle, both in River Forest, and joins Oak Park to attend Oak Park River Forest High School. As we head down to our carpeted dry basement with drain tile systems, sump pump, and more, you'll notice the dry bar, many windows, lots of natural light, making it a great space to hang out. We're going to head over to the laundry room, which has access to the backyard, your washer and dryer, your sump pump, battery backup, water heater, and all your mechanicals. Thank you so much for coming to tour 7712 Vine. This home has had many improvements over the years. It just got a new roof. They've done new appliances. They've done a new furnace. It has been so well taken care of. You're going to want to come in next and see it in person.